Bev Code at the Rubber Buggy. Today I am doing the product reveal video on Mintay, the Kiddie Collection. As I flip through, be sure to view and see the soft, fun mix of colors that are going to mix and match for all those kitty pages. There's enough blue that they can be used for that little guy or that sweet little girl. The backside sheets are also very complimentary that will mix and match with all the fabulous, very detailed, fun prints that you are seeing. The combination of yellows, orange, browns, blues, some soft pinks, and the images of all the little things that kids love, like the balloons and wagons with supercars, little kitty cats, and even flowers and rabbits. It's going to be super to mix and match and create all kinds of projects, whether it's layouts, cards, even a fabulous mini album. It comes with 2 of each double-sided prints, therefore an amazing 24 designs, and a bonus sheet of elements is on the back side of the cover sheet. Be sure to visit for this collection in the store and also the many other fabulous products that you can find while you're there. Have a great day.